Were you surprised that that in a Matterport offering there wasn't a Matterport highlight reel or Matter tags?
That's not something that any of my clients
They don't care about
asked for. They don't
Okay.
care about that. I know a lot of MSPs will go through the trouble of putting those together, and that's great. There could be some value in that, but my clients don't.
So
Maybe
it
it's 'cause I
may or may not be a differentiator. We
Yeah.
talked about video. It seemed like there were at least two opportunities. One is to create a real video from the Matterport tour. If you're not don't have that expertise in-house, there's certainly members of the We Get Around Network Forum community that offer that. And second is actually to shoot a video or a real listing video. And I didn't see that as an add-on offered by VHT Studios. I don't believe they had add-ons of aerial photos and video, twilight, virtual staging, virtual decluttering.
They do have a full motion video. I don't know if it's on their order form. It's certainly on their website. 60 to 90-second video, which includes a 15-second teaser video, 2-day turnaround for $250.
Yeah. So my impression was the add-on pricing was somewhat high on most of the items. And I think, but in any event, if you're trying to compete with the Matterport Digital Pro bundle, your bundle might include video.
Yeah, especially if you're using something like one of the 360 cameras, you can, and I've done it, and I'm very basic at video editing, but you can take I did Insta360 1RS 1-inch and walked around a property with it in about, 10 minutes time. And because you're able to reframe the 360 video, I can make a nice, almost FPV drone fly-through video using that. And it from start to finish, including walking around the property, it might take me 2 hours. And that's with me not really doing video editing on a regular basis.
I missed what you said. Was that a first person video? The initials stood for
FPV, first person point of view. So, like the
you can
FPV
edit within
drones.
the 360 video for whatever perspective, whatever field of view that you want to include in the video.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I also heard, I don't know if this is a differentiator or not, but trimming the model to look nice. I mean, I was surprised that Matterport is delivering its own solution and it's got splatter in the Matterport tour.
Trimming it to look nice, that kind of attention to detail. I would add that in the same boat of scanning the house completely.
When do you charge for tours? VHT Studios charged you at the time that you place the order. Do you charge when assets are delivered?
No, our orders are prepaid. Everybody does it differently. I've had agents say, "Can you bill me at the close escrow?" And I say, "No, we're not going to do that. You got to pay up front." So we charge up front. There's nothing wrong with that. If somebody's
just looking for ways that photographers might differentiate themselves from the Matterport Digital Pro bundle.
Yeah, I wouldn't put that in one of those.
Okay.